What you get. Sunbow Gel Nail Polish Set includes 22x Popular Colors Gel, 5 ml, 0.17 ounces each bottle, 3x No Wipe Glossy Matte Top Coat Base Coat, 10 ml, 0.33 ounces each bottle. This kit includes vermilion red and glitter maroon, which appropriate for any holiday or special event. Fingertips bloom with color, change different styles according to the mood of the day. Brown tone, elegance and intellectual. Red tone, beautiful and classic. Orange tone, confident and charming. Easy application, long-lasting, spend 3 minutes and long-lasting for 21 plus days with base and top coat under the proper application. Gel need to be cured under LED, UV nail lamp, and you will get the natural and smooth looking. Smooth Texture Rich Pigment, Sunbow Gel Nail Polish Kit uses premium gel material. No chipping, warping and cracking. All color UV nail polish is made with toxin-free ingredient which makes it safe and light smell. Gel Nail Kit for starter. We recommend the nail polish kit for nail manicure starter. Multicolor nail polish kit is suitable for daily, party, anniversaries, Valentine's Day or Mother's Day gifts. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect Halloween and fall set. Have had so much fun making Halloween and fall nails with this set. A few of the orange colors glow. Matte top coat makes for the perfect candy corn nails or to make drips stand out. Also some nice Xmas colors.